Hello dear friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Rene magana mirongo itanu. Welcome. Now we are going to see how to make a rivet joint. As you know, there are so many types of joint. There is welding, bolting, screwing, and so on. Now we are going how to make a rivet joint. To make a rivet joint is simple. As you see here, this is a rivet, and this is a riveting machine. This machine is used to insert a rivet. So to make a rivet joint, first of all, you have to drill a hole which is passing through to the part which you want to join. Here is the hole and here is the hole. Then you have to insert this akabakita kagararumuri. You have to insert, and you put together an overlapping hole. Then you insert a rivet. Insert a rivet, and here also you insert a rivet, and here also. Then and here also you insert a rivet. After to insert a rivet, you take a riveting machine and then you insert in a rivet. Then after to insert a rivet, you start to pump. And here you pump to release those particles rest in. Then you put also you pump. Then you remove a mandrel. Those particle is called the mandrel. Then here you insert pump. Already finished. As you see, we have finished to make our rivet joint. So thanks for watching. Then have to make subscribe. When we upload new video, you will access. So thanks to watch this video. Remember to share and make a comment. Thanks.